Hi, I'm Chef Linda at the Eastgate Jungle Gyms, and today we're going to make a shrimp pho, which is a very easy pho soup. Usually pho soup is a beef pho, which takes basically a couple of days. This one's easy, fast, and really nutritious. You're basically going to stir this in the wok until the onions are translucent and the mushrooms are broken down just a little bit. While this is sauteing, you can get together the chicken broth, and what I'm doing is adding the miso to it so it dissolves a little bit, and it's going to dissolve in the chicken broth. Miso is a fermented soy paste, really good for you. It's got that fermentation. It's always bought fresh. That's why, because it is fermented. So our onions are pretty much translucent, and you're going to add the chicken broth and miso to the dish. You're also going to add red pepper flakes, and you need about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And you can add more, I usually do. It just depends on your taste. Then you're going to also stir in the fish sauce, about a teaspoon of fish sauce. And the fish sauce, it sounds horrible, but it's what we call umami, which is the underlying flavors. And I use fish sauce in just about everything. Also, you're going to put in your sesame oil. I just did the sesame oil first. You need some fresh lime juice. And you're going to let this simmer for a while. As you're getting that to simmer, you're going to let that simmer for a while, get your shrimp ready to go in. Once you've got it up to a simmer, you're going to want to put your shrimp in and let them cook gently. So you're going to still simmer. You don't want them to be cooked to death and get all rubbery and hard. You want them to still be tender. Also, you want to put in your bok choy at that time, and you're just going to get a nice crisp texture on the bok choy, and then you let it simmer again until the shrimp is pink. What I have is fresh rice noodles, and so get your bowls ready with your rice noodles on the bottom, and what you want to do is garnish the soup at the last minute with some fresh green onion and cilantro, and squeeze in some lime juice to give it some freshness. Mix it in for just a second, just to give it some flavor. And of course, the last thing that you want to do is taste the broth and make sure that it's seasoned right. Yum! If you want more pepper flakes, again, if you want more heat, and then you just put the soup over the rice noodles, and make sure you put plenty of broth in. Because that cooks the rice noodles up just a little bit. And there you are, shrimp pho. This is a great soup for right now with the cold. So it's a new year. How about starting it out healthy with shrimp pho? Very easy to do. Get all your ingredients at Jungle Jim's. And thank you for allowing me to be in your living room, and have a good year.